where we are right now, this is my ancestral home. I was born in this house. I have spent whole of my childhood here, and now so many tourists, travelers coming to this place and having great time, it makes me feel very special. So after venturing into tourism, me and my friend Ashish, we were sitting in Agra at a table and we were having our dinner. And somehow this idea of creating a brand into hospitality came into us. We used to follow Starbucks a lot and we realized that there is nothing like Starbucks in accommodation. So we just popped up this name Safarnama. Safarnama means on the account of Safar, on the name of travel. And we started our first boutique bed and breakfast in Agra. From there has been no looking back. Agra, our boutique B&B is near Taj Mahal, and in Varanasi, we are right at the heart of the city. Varanasi is the city of streets. अगर गली नहीं देखी तो बनारस नहीं देखा. Safarnama Varanasi, being in the heart of the city, also lies in one of those gully which offer the true flavor of the city. If you go out from the Safarnama gate, you will see a panwala, you will see a local saloon, you will see a tailor, you will see a chota dawai wala, you will see a sabji wala. So many flavors just around you, and everything like mandir, ghat, restaurant, cafe, just 2 minutes walk from you. This makes the location very special. It offers all the modern amenities which any good hotel offers. We have 6 inches mattress, swing mattresses. All the rooms would have electric kettle, we'll have mini fridge, we'll have AC, we'll have aesthetically designed wardrobes, beds, modern toilet. All the guests have free breakfast in the rooms. They can have home cooked meal. They can meet the other travelers in the common areas which we have. We tend to focus on experience of each and every guest. Whenever a guest is coming, there is somebody welcoming him with a huge smile, great smile, explaining about the city, explaining about all the different things the city has to offer, and also make them experience the city as never before. We have rickshaw rides, we have boat rides, we have auto rides, and all the people who take the rickshaw ride or boat ride or auto ride, they put their hearts into creating the good experience of the guests, and we also make sure. Our driver Rajkumar is really famous among the guests. Our auto driver is called as a chocolate man among our tourists. They write about him. Our boatman Nandu, he comes every day 4:45 a.m. in the morning. He will take the guests to Ganga Aarti. He will then take them for boat ride, and he will make them meet the Siberian birds and take them to the old gully and make them eat Malayo, which is something the guests would never have experienced. And this is the kind of small experiences which we create to all our guests who are staying at Safarnama. Safarnama. Stay, relax, relish. Visit us at Agra and Varanasi.